Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your PC and files for firmware changes. Backup important documents and game settings to an external drive. Open, start, and run Tpm. MSC to check that Tpm shows version 2.0 and status. The device is ready. Then press Win and type msinfo32 and open system information. Look for BIOS mode and confirm it reads UEFI. If BIOS mode reads Legacy or BIOS, you will need to convert your disk or reinstall Windows in UEFI mode first. Power off and restart the PC to enter BIOS or UEFI settings using keys like F2, F10, Delete, or ESC. In the Security or Advanced menu, locate TPM, TPM Device, Platform Trust Technology, or FTPM. Set the option to Enabled or to TPM 2.0. Intel displays PTT and AMD uses FTPM. Next, find Boot Options and ensure firmware is set to UEFI and not Legacy. Then enable Secure Boot and save changes. Reboot to apply both TPM. After reboot, open TPM. MSC again to confirm TPM 2.0 and readiness. Open Settings, go to Windows Security and then Device Security to confirm Secure Boot is on and shows core isolation. If Valorant still reports errors, update the motherboard BIOS and chipset drivers from the manufacturer website. Ensure your disk is GPT and CSM or legacy support is disabled in firmware. Finally, install all Windows updates and reinstall Riot Vanguard and Valorant to allow the anti-cheat to detect Secure Boot and TPM 2.0.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.